In this video, I will show you how you can turn off CarPlay on your iPhone 15, 15 Pro, Pro Max, or the Plus. Now to do that, just go to Settings, and under Settings, just tap on General. Under the General Settings, you will find the option for CarPlay. Now just tap on it. Now over here, if your iPhone is connected with your car, you will find the name of your car under the My Car section. Now just tap on the name of your car, and after that, you will open this page. And from here, just tap on Forget This Car, and after you do that, a pop-up will appear on the screen. From there, just tap on Forget, and you will disconnect your car from your iPhone. But if you want to disable the CarPlay feature completely from your iPhone, then for that, just go back to Settings, and under the main settings page, just tap on Screen Time. From here, just tap on Content and Privacy Restrictions. Now, if this feature is turned off, just turn it on. Now, after you turn on this feature, then tap on Allowed Apps and Features. And over here, you will find the option for CarPlay. And just disable the toggle for CarPlay. And after you do that, the CarPlay feature will be disabled completely from your iPhone. And this is it. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.